My buddy has a drone, he flies it all day long, hovering over everybody's house like he don't know right from wrong. He says it's just a hobby, man, I wish he understood. My buddy has a drone, I suspect he's up to no good. My buddy has a drone, now he thinks he's CIA, flying that thing around the neighborhood every night and day, hovering over backyards, wearing sunglasses and a grin. My buddy has a drone, the trouble's about to begin. He flew it over the neighbor's pool while his wife was laying out. Now she's chasing it around the yard with a broom, cussing him out. He swears he's doing neighborhood security, but I don't think that's true. My buddy has a drone, I don't know what he's trying to do. Now the whole neighborhood's up in arms, they're sick of that buzzing sound. They're tired of him flying over their homes when they're trying to settle down. Old man Johnson grabbed his shotgun, said, I'm gonna blow that thing out of the sky. My buddy has a drone, and that thing's about to die. He's got cameras on that thing, recording everything he sees. Thinks he's some kind of secret agent flying through the trees. The whole block is out for blood, they're coming after him tonight. Somebody better talk to him sometimes.